Hey guys, today we are making a banana bread. So the ingredients: 2 eggs, half cup sugar, 2 cups flour, 150 gram butter, 4 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, and a pinch of salt, and then our bananas, guys, and then our bananas. So now we have to squash the bananas. We squash. And I use 4 bananas, guys, and the ripe one, the soft one. I squash my bananas. And then after squashing it, put sugar, I mix sugar and banana. Mix it. And then my oil. Mix it. And a pinch of essence. And then we mix it. Pinch of salt. Mix it. And then I mix my bacabo and flour. And then my butter. Mix it. And then my eggs, guys. And then we mix it together, guys. We mix it together. And then we put our flour in here. And then mix it together. Mix it together. And if you see it's too stiff, you can put a little bit of milk, guys, if it's too stiff. So let me put a little bit of milk. And then mix it together. Our dough is ready, guys. Our dough is ready. So now here's our pan. We will grease it. It's up to you if you use oil or butter. So I'm gonna use butter. So that our banana bread mustn't stick on the pan. So I grease it, guys. And then we put our dough in here. We are making a banana bread, guys, or banana loaf. The way you can call it, no problem. It's a loaf, is a bread, it's the same thing. So we are taking our banana bread to the oven, 180 for an hour. So I will see you after an hour, guys. So guys, after an hour, our banana bread is ready, soft. And then let's see. The toothpick is clean, guys. So our banana bread is nice. So let's take it out. Job well done. See how soft it is, guys. Wow. Wow. Wow.